Today, I will take you to learn about our flat polishing machine. Okay, so what about our numerical control plane polishing machine? It uses a 4-volt motor to drive and control. It can not only do our usual square plane throw, we can also make our circle and a flat polishing of various profiled edges. What about the material it is aimed at? There's granite, marble, and our stone slate. Tile, we're going to put this piece of granite on our machine in a moment. And then you polish it flat. How about this one? It's our Mustang. We will also conduct the polishing test of this plane later. This is a tile, 800 times, 800 in a while. We also got on the machine too. It's a flat grind. What about this issue? I focused on showing you in detail our flat polishing machine for the polishing of granite and this underside of our slabs and our tiles. So if there's anything you want to know, old iron, please leave me a message in the comment area.